here are the Saturn V's from Motone for the bobber black. Bobber. Had these for some time now, probably about 5 months, and been really waiting to get these all fitted. And very nice finish. Really nice. Hopefully you can see the finish on these is absolutely beautiful. Really lovely. Hey guys, so all fitted. So the Motone exhaust is all fitted and all sorted, and it wasn't actually a very bad job at all. The trickiest thing was really kind of understanding what was going on with this bolt here, but it's actually just a clamp. I don't know if you can see it down there. Just kind of clamps around and holds this sort of shielding onto the actual pipe. So that's pretty straightforward. And then the easiest thing to do if you are fitting any of these type of exhausts, obviously this pipe goes back round into the X pipe, and that will be replaced when Motone get theirs back in stock. But I ended up loosening the header bolts and these other link pipes as well down here. Done those. So basically it's all like loose, and then that allowed me to sort of pull the exhaust away from the catalytic converter, and then that just loosened the bolt off here, and it just slid out. It's really good. This came off. The other side was quite good as well. Subtleties on this side. This shielding here, I don't know if you can see it, it might be a bit too dark, but actually it's 2 parts, so it actually made it a little bit easier. So as soon as that clamp was loosened, that just literally just slid off. That was even easier. The bolts for the X pipe for this, really tricky to see. I don't know if you can see that, but right underneath there, probably not. But the actual bolts are really difficult to get to. But you can just about get a wrench in there, to sort of, or a socket set in there, sort of to get it open. And then other than that, it's yeah, pretty straightforward job indeed. So obviously I'm going to do a start up now because I've not heard it yet. So I'm super excited. I'll try and replay a previous clip from the exhaust from the standard. Here you go guys, so this is what it's going to sound like. Well, hopefully you agree, that sounds really nice. I can't wait to do some follow-up videos for you guys. Just going taking it out for a ride and see what it sounds like on the road. I'm sure it's going to sound absolutely awesome. Really pleased that it was easy to install, but I'm really pleased to have it finally fitted on the bike now. I think it looks a lot nicer, a lot shorter here. Just takes away some of that bulk from the original exhaust. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how the bike's turning out at the moment. Lots more to do. Got to do the shorter shorter rear fender. That's going to be really nice. And just a few little bits and pieces here and there. I'm going to probably do a new sprocket and a gold chain on it. I think that look pretty cool. Nice contrast to all of the black and just nice gold chain. Yeah, and wow, it sounds so good, and I think it just looks amazing. Hopefully you guys agree. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Once again, thanks a lot to all of you who have left comments on the previous video. It's really appreciated. I really want to grow the channel. I love motorbiking. I'm sure you guys do if you're watching this as well. So thank you very much indeed for your time for watching this. More to come for definite, especially out on the road and just riding the thing now. It'd be brilliant. But take care, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.